bike? Oh yeah. But who wants the hassle of strangers kicking tires on your driveway? Not us. Buying and selling bikes should be thrilling and not scary. BidMoto is the first online auction dedicated 100% to motorcycle enthusiasts. Kept it fun and simple. Click, bid, and ride. Bid high. Bid a little. You want it? Just bid. Friendly competition is not just encouraged, it's the name of the game. BidMoto is an auction community created for bikers by bikers, not tire kickers. You gain more than just a bike. You become a member of a club that understands the thrill of the ride. It's for the collector, it's for the cruiser, and the speed demon. Welcome, rider, to the world's first motorcycle online auction community. Click, bid, ride.